Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming compatibility and network setup so the connection works. Check that your phone and TV support casting or wired output. This avoids wasted steps. Once done, connect both devices to the same Wi-Fi network or turn on Bluetooth if you'll pair directly. Next, choose wired if you prefer stable video. Plug an HDMI cable or adapter into the phone and TV. Make sure the TV input matches the port. This starts the actual data path and lets you see your phone screen. Now you'll complete the core connection, choosing wireless or wired based on stability needs. For wireless, open your phone's cast or screen mirroring option and select the TV, Chromecast, or AirPlay device. Confirm the code if prompted. For wired, plug the adapter into your phone, attach HDMI to the TV, and switch the TV to that HDMI input. This provides consistent frame rates. Then, adjust display resolution and orientation on your phone, and set audio output to the TV to ensure proper picture and sound. Finish by verifying playback, audio, and responsiveness so your viewing is smooth. Play a test video and confirm sound comes from the TV while checking touch controls if mirrored. Closing background apps can reduce lag. If picture or audio fails, reboot the phone and TV, reselect inputs, or update the casting app and firmware. One key troubleshooting tip: if wireless fails, disable Wi-Fi isolation on the router or switch to a wired HDMI connection, and ensure any adapter has external power to resolve most signal issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.